Hi, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? It's a really great news for all Stellar XLM holder, and be alert because my brother, in the current time, Stellar XLM is completely in the profit, and there is a lot of chances they will give you a very good profit. Now let's see, my brother, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. So hope you understand better now. Let's really get this going. Please subscribe this channel. All right, my brother, this time exactly, my friend, a lot of chances they will move upward, but it is possible if a holder my friend hold now. So if you have any plan to invest more, then I think this is very good time for you. Please go now, invest now, and I hope they will give you a profit. And yes, my brother, one thing more, if you want to take a very good profit at the end of month, so I think this is very good time. The update you can see, my brother, the last 24-hour plus 1.36% the price is increased, and this time you can see, my brother, the highest price is 0.27 USD dollar, and the current price, my friend, you can see is 0.26 USD dollar. So it's mean to the price is decreased now, but I hope, my friend, they will again increase now at the end of month. They will give you a good profit, but that's all possible if you are hold now. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. See you next time.